welcome back to my channel. I do hope you're doing well. Right, so we're going to have a little bit of a baking episode, and you do have 2 of these this month because I forgot to, well, I didn't say I didn't forget. I didn't have time to do one last month because Easter, yes, I am still going to bang around the Easter, threw me off, which it did entirely. So you're going to have 2 this month, and they're kind of going to be, this one is my semi-healthy, and then we're going to have like a good old-fashioned baking one after. But I should be sponsored by BBC Good Food now. I'm not, guys, this is not in sponsorship, but I am doing a BBC Good Food recipe with a twist, because does Shannon ever do one without a twist? No. So we are going to go, guys, with the raspberry honey flapjacks. Look at how nice they look. And these are very simply 5 ingredients. You have your butter, your sugar, your oats, honey, raspberries. Now it does say to use frozen raspberries. I have picked up fresh that you will see in the overview, but I'm also going to actually add in a few extras. So looking at this, set the oven on. The oven is on. We've got to melt the butter, the sugar, the honey, oh, and a pinch of salt. Okay, and then once it's bubbling, we stir in the oats. Then we tip it out, add in the raspberries, and good to go, 25 to 30 minutes. It says to cut into 9 or 12 flapjacks. Now, I will see how this mixture looks because I have a big tin. So I'm thinking I might actually double up on the ingredients. But doubling up means I need double the extras, of which I have. So you will see in the overview, but I'm going to add 3 extra things into this. And with flapjacks, guys, you can add whatever the hell you want in them. They are so versatile. You can put fruits, you can put nuts, you can put chocolates. I'm putting them all in. So we have the raspberries. I will then be putting in some chopped hazelnuts, some chocolate chips, and also desiccated coconut. So we're going to have a big, hearty flapjack. And Danny's on his way back. Mummy's eagerly awaiting in the kitchen, in her bedroom, because she's more excited for the next baking video that you will see coming. I was going to say baking recipe. I'm doing 2 lots of baking today, so the house is just going to smell of cakes, to be perfectly honest. But yeah, let's get weighing them out, and hopefully this should be a fingers crossed, no drama, healthy flapjack situation. She says now.
Your shadow stretching on the floor while the sun gets low. I got a feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow.
So, how are we doing, guys? How are we doing? I've got a fresh bag of oats that I need to cut up, of which actually I don't need the oats yet. Shannon Lee is already losing her focus, and you're probably thinking you're in a mismatch. This isn't the bottoms to this. No, I can't find my bottoms to this one, so I've just got my flares on. Comfy, cozy, that is the way to go. So because I am doubling everything up, I will of course leave it down below, but it will be 300 butter, 300 sugar, and 8 teaspoons of honey. So what was this? This was a 500 gram pot. Yeah, let's go just over half. And as I say, let me know down below, guys, if you make your own flapjacks, or what is it that you like within your flapjack. Do you like nuts? Do you like chocolate? Do you like seeds and berries? Do let me know down below, because oh god, I'm making like a leaning tower of Pisa here, aren't I? You can put anything in, and this is kind of partially having it as fuel food because me and Dan are back in the gym at ridiculous o'clock in the mornings, and I need some food when I come out because obviously my sugars go haywire. And let's have a look. Oh, I hate it when it gets stuck in there. I mean, it's all got to go in the same pot, but you've got to get every last gram of that out. So I'm thinking of these to have for after the gym because, yeah, there's been a few times where I've come out and I'm like, whew, like I can feel myself getting shaky, and I can't always keep relying on Lucozades and like sugary drinks to give me that instant sugar. Let's pop them in there. So yeah, we'll see how that is. Or if anyone knows of any other flapjacky style recipes. Flapjacky style, that probably sounds ridiculous. But you know, I don't like the banana muffins. A lot of people will probably say banana bread, maybe. I could maybe look into doing another banana bread actually. Banana bread maybe with some walnuts in. We could give that a go. Let's have a look. Got all our sugar. God, I shouldn't have actually put that spoon in question. This is the thing with me and baking, guys. It turns very, not messy, but there's a lot of washing up to do after. So I need to get better at that. I was saying to Mum the other day, I said, like, one thing whenever I move out that I am looking forward to is I want like an actual little designated bakery section. Now let me just double check if there's teaspoons or tablespoons on the honey, because tablespoons, okay. They've used heather honey in this. I'm using clear honey, Tesco. So we shall see how this goes. It's a lot of honey. It's going to be very sweet, but I'm thinking, okay, we're going to have the nuts and everything. Let's have a look. The only thing with honey, like, you never fully get it off the spoon, do you? And I'm not going to sit here and wait for every droplet to come off. There's a lot of sugar. I mean, they say that they're supposed to be healthy, but do we think they're that healthy? 4. I was losing count then. 5. Where can I get heather honey from, guys? 6. Is that something that you'd only get from, say, like a garden centre, farm shop? I've actually literally almost used all our honey, and we're having oats to do for breakfast this week. Okay. Oopsie daisy. Right. I think actually, very silly idea, but I'm going to keep the metal spoon. I'm going to get a bit of kitchen roll, pop it on the side, and then I'm going to use the metal spoon to mix it all, you know. So this is what we're looking at the moment. We're going to get it on the hob, and let's just watch it melt into some goodness, eh? And then we need to measure the oats. This could be the quickest, simplest recipe I've ever done. And fingers crossed it goes right.
We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day.
I don't want to put the raspberries, like, press them in the top. I want everything combined. So I've just added in the mixture to that. And what I'm going to do, it's just going to be very lightly. Let's pop a few in there, because we'll keep a couple for our normal oats. And then, as I say, I'm going to put in a little dashing of coconut. Let's add in some nuts. A few more nuts. Dan's really been loving chia seeds at the minute. They've been going in everything. And then this, just very gently fold it all around. I might put some raspberries on the top once it's been cooking. Maybe say halfway through cooking. It says 25 to 30 minutes. I might press some bits in the top there. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure it was all combined with some flavouring. So looking at this is what we're working with, guys, okay? And this is the part where I'm like, is it going to go in? Let's bring you down, because I need to be focused for this bit.
Obstacles that we faced did ever slow us down. We knew we'd get here, went the extra mile in every race.
And that, guys, is ready for the oven. 25 to 30 minutes. In it goes, and I think that's been a success. Now I can't burn them. Yeah, let's keep an eye on them in that oven, Shan. See you when they're done.
We are duty bound. We push it right on through.
It is a little bit later, it's actually the next day. Mum just said, oh, it's still moist. Now, this said that it was supposed to make 9 to 12 flapjacks. And it actually, yeah, I've got 8. But these are like nice bite size. You can't have a piddly flapjack.
No. Oh, and we need the cream, Shannon, now.
Mum wants cream with everything. Sorry if you hear all the noise in the background. We're actually cooking dinner as well. So go on, you can take whatever bite you want. So this has got raspberries, desiccated coconut, chopped hazelnuts, chopped chips, honey, sugar, and all the oaty goodness. You could probably have them with custard.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's like a crumble, isn't it?
And I like these red things. I didn't think I'd like them.
Fresh raspberries.
I didn't think I'd like them because they're a bit sharp, aren't they?
Yeah, but the amount of sugar and honey and everything that goes in like that with it.
Oh, very good.
So I say at Flapjacks, that probably won't last long with.
No, because I'll have mine with custard. You want to take some?
I'll just take a little bit off the side. But they weren't actually that bad. And with stuff like this, it's so customisable. You can put whatever you want in them. Look if we've got custard. I don't think we have.
No, because it went, didn't it?
Oh, I like that.
Again, that's still moist, isn't it?
Not bad.
I'll say 10 from Lee.
I've had a lot of bacon and cooking going on in this house.
I reckon maybe that I should have got a little, or even them little tiny square things, you know, like the beans.
Oh, well, custard.
Yeah.
It does almost taste like a fruit crumble.
I'll run up tomorrow.
Mum wants custard first. It is almost like a fruit crumble, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
And people might say, oh, but they're too thick. I like a nice thick flapjack. You can't have a
You want to taste the fruit in there, don't you?
Another baking done. And I think, as I say, with these being so versatile, you literally put whatever you want in them.
Yeah.
What would you put in if you used to do flapjacks? Any particular fruit?
Yeah, peanut butter. I'd have a dollop of that. And maybe some peanuts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any fruit?
And yeah, maybe them little tiny things you get at Christmas. That's in there. That big fruit. Yeah, pomegranate seeds.
Pomegranate. Oh,
Yeah.
okay then.
Yeah.
Slightly different vibe for it, but yes, as always, I will leave the recipe link down below. But guys, if you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment. How do you think they turned out? Yes, no, what are we going with? And what would you put in your flapjacks?
Yeah. Let us know, viewers, what you put in.
So take care, stay safe as always, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.